Today we are both see the problem and we are both try to solution. So at first the problem from Outlook. At first go the Outlook. There I have a something error the Outlook data. When I click OK, there go the repairs and oh nice. There go the repairs and he try to the repair and then again on. This problem having the show. So I show you something. Close this one. No need to repair. Also we need to the data file. This is the data file location, but when I go is automatic close. So how to do this one? The where the data file we are going the manual, so there need to options, then view, show, applies. Where is the data file? This is the local name HP's local. No, go to Microsoft. No, they do not have. So I think here have OneDrive, Microsoft Outlook. This one the data file. So we just delete this one. There's a simple way. Yes. The local data file is deleting now. So we see this space is coming. So then have a not option. Now we are on the Outlook. Close. There no have data file. So how to show checkings accounts? Stay or not stay? Just wait. I see this one. They have a no file now. Again we are delete. File is created. Now we are try. Yes. Why we are do this one not set up again? Just deleting the PST file because I show you something. Just wait. Because you see this is our IMAP server, so all mail have to the server in this region. No need to the again setup reset up. Just we delete this file. Automatic creating is the easier process. Options, view. Now don't need to this one. Okay, and okay, this is the video for this problem solution. Thank you for thank you.